Nailed it. Alright, so before this video begins, I gotta say, what is WLtoys up to? Back when I first started getting back into RCs, they made some pretty fast buggies, but lately, they've been all over the place with their releases. And one of them is this semi-truck that they just came out with, but I do like semi-trucks, so no big deal for me. Especially when the truck actually comes with a trailer that does something. So this is the XK6408. It's a 1/64th scale semi-truck, obviously. And being that it's 64 scale, man, it has some really good details. It looks like it has a lot of lights, small plastic details like mirrors and whatnot. Man, when we were growing up, our Hot Wheels were not this awesome and detailed. The trailer can be opened and it also can be lifted and lowered onto the truck. So man, that is really nice. Included with the truck, you do get a USB cable, a little Phillips screwdriver, and some rubber tires, because this truck actually has plastic tires on it for drifting, because, you know, every single little RC has to drift, I guess. The transmitter included does have a foam wheel, so that is a nice touch. We also have a whole bunch of stuff here, like steering trim. We also have the little knob button thingamajiggy for the trailer to lift it up and down. It also has a speed setting, light button, and cruise control. If only that guy had his cruise control on, he wouldn't have crashed, but this has also a horn button, so man, this thing's loaded with features. No playing on dirty roads. Risk of vehicle damage. Yeah, because that's exactly what I want to be doing with this. Let's turn this thing on. I already have the trailer on. Just going to click the light button. We can see what it does. We'll cycle through it. We have some hazards there, and it looks like we have the sound too. Hold on, let me put my mic up to it. That's pretty cool. Then it shuts the lights off there. Turn them back on. And yeah, that is awesome. You can actually hear the indicators. Let's give it a reverse light check. Yep, it has reverse lights and reverse sound, so. Whoa. Now I'm gonna try to attach the truck onto the trailer in a crooked way, see if it works. And yeah, it does. That is sweet. And check this out, the trailer I just noticed has reverse lights too, so that is cool. All right, let's just see if I can back this trailer up in between those two storage units there. Or shipping containers, I should say. Oh, the key is to have a nice, perfectly straight trailer. No. Oh, tapped it. Oh. Sometimes as a truck driver, you gotta straighten out your load, man. There we go. I somewhat did it. Kind of a fail, but hey, it's not that easy. Now, I'm not going to go too crazy with the driving. I just want to show you guys the speed of the truck. So this is speed 1. Pretty fast. Now you can see speed 2. Whoa. It's very fast. Let's check that again because I crashed. And now speed 3. Whoa. Pretty fast speed. I also do want to mention that it does not have a gyro. It does, however, have proportional steering, so you can control it fully. And a proportional throttle. Let me do that in the high speed. See? Well, yeah, let's see how it drifts. Yeah, I mean, it does kind of drift, but it is not the best type of drifting. I'm used to really good small scale drift cars. Oh, almost shot it off the table. But yeah, I don't really care for this being a drift truck, more or less. I care about being an actual semi-truck. There we go, some donuts. But yeah, I'm gonna make this video nice and short. If you like small RCs and you enjoy doing things with them, this is the RC for you. It's pretty cool. The trailer function is awesome. It's pretty quick. And yeah, if you like semi-trucks, check out this Brat truck video I did. This one is an actual drifting semi-truck with a gyro, and you can get the trailer optional from bestbuyboxes.com. So this is also an awesome truck. And yeah, catch you on the next one.